I'm missing all the MTs. And that ramp does not support drift tricking, I swear. Dude, it's like an Apple ramp, bro. It's like, do it our way, like my way or the highway, bro, honestly. I bet that ramp is an Apple product. Nice wheelie after landing there. I'll say that. Holy. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is a huge start. Oh, that was so fat, dude. Alright. Still though. My nose is itchy. But like the inside of my nose. So it's not like I can just... Oh my gosh. Rip. Do that. Yo, that kind of worked. Hold up. Fire pace right here. Nice. Get the wheelie. Good line. Good line. Ooh. What do I do here? Okay, that was a good chain. Let's just kill the chain, save it. Not bad chains, honestly. I think those are my lap 1 chains and I think I'm racing. Okay, quite a wide line there, but should be alright. Okay. This song is kind of a bop. Not really. It's very mid, actually. Ooh, what about the car? What do we do with the car here? Okay, that was weird, but we're alive, so I'll take it. That was too close for comfort, though. One Wheelie Wonder? Nope. That's time loss. But good stick. Okay, this could be it. Let's just make sure we remember to do the alignment thing. Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go, dude. I am mentally insane. That took over 8 hours. What is that? 8 hours and 20 minutes. Oh man. Oh man. From point 6 to point 2, dude? Oh, that's pretty gnarly. Oh, let me see. I gotta see that comparison, bro. Dude, that's funny. That's funny, dude. That's gotta be like second or third attempt of the recording. Wow. Wow. I should have screenshotted it. It's okay, I'm recording, so I'll just screenshot the recording. Dude, that is hype. Stop the music for a sec. That is crazy. Look at that. Oh, flip. Yeah, we beat it. Wait, what? Oh, that's Big Express. Oh, flip, this is my SD card thing. I want to see this. I'm like shaking, bro. Why am I shaking? It's apparently not even that hard of a ghost. But hey, I'll take that. Oh my gosh, I destroyed it. Yo.